Hi, I'm Don, and this is The Hobbyist Geek. Welcome back, y'all. Today we're going to be continuing our Shockwave build. Last time we got these awesome legs. Oh, I'm so looking forward to seeing what comes next. I know you don't want to hear from me, so let's just get into the build.
Sunrise is just for you, so come along and take my hand.
And here he is. Not fully completed yet, but the torso's done, and this is awesome. I cannot begin to describe just how excited I am about this. Yes, I'm biased. I love Shockwave, but this is excellent. Now the torso, the top half is not actually permanently attached right now. I can't do that until we finish and attach the arms, but I did this so that we can see what it'll look like when it's fully assembled, and this is beautiful. This is absolutely beautiful. I'm going to go ahead and take this off for the close-up review. There we go. All right, coming in on the lower half of the torso here, right about here up is what we did in this issue, and we've got this excellent abdomen piece right here. 4 separate slots, so he's got himself a little 4-pack there, which is 4 more than I have, so that's good. And we've also got these little pop-out details. You know, nothing too much. I love this, I don't even know, kind of fence-looking laser etch there that just really blends in nicely. Nice little color and depth changes here on the corners. On the side, we've got some, you know, green and red highlights. By the way, the torso had a lot of little pieces that, frankly, I wasn't expecting. So we've got a lot of little pop-out pieces that really flesh this thing out, and it looks incredible. So we've got the silver highlight here. We've got these little black pieces here with the red and green highlights. We've got this mechanical detail or electronic detail right there, which is really, really nice. And this side is identical. The back, not too much to it here. This, I don't know, little extension of the butt plate, as well as these little highlights here and whatever these little hooks are right there. Not too much there, but still, I mean, it looks great. And then we come to the top half. Obviously, the chest piece, which is kind of the centerpiece of a Shockwave model, which is awesome. And I got to tell you, this model is going together so incredibly smoothly. It's unbelievable. This is so easy to build. The only real issue I had is right in here, there's these little corners on the side of this centerpiece that have to be folded out. And the instructions aren't very clear on exactly how everything's going to go together. So there's some alignment issues as you go through. I would suggest actually folding these out a little further than necessary. And then once you've got both halves of the clamshell attached, you can push them back and line them up properly. But it did come out looking great. We've got these little pop-up details and the different shade of purple for the chest, along with all of that wonderful painted mechanical and electronic detail there, which is great. On the side, again, all these little pop-out details that are just amazing. And same thing on the bottom of the chest here. All these little pop-out details that just really, really, really make it pop. On the top, of course, we've got the Decepticon logo, along with these venting and mesh details here. Again, awesome. And these hooks that kind of flow all the way to the back here for the shoulders. It's just amazing. More red and green highlights here. I don't know if I can, or excuse me, red and blue highlights right here. The side, not too much to it, just obviously a casing where the arm is going to go and the shoulder. And then we've got this beautiful backpack. This wonderful vented detail here, some mesh detail up in here. Obviously all these little pop out and design things here to make it kind of stand out. And look at that laser etching along the back here. Look at that. That is just amazing. Okay, coming on down, this is actually got a magnet in there. So I have a feeling that's where the hose is going to connect. I think that's probably how it connects, is via magnet. So there's a little magnet right in there. And here is where the obligatory Mu Model logo goes. In this case, because it's not bold red and everything, it doesn't really stand out like it does in some of the other models. And its placement on the backpack, I mean, it really doesn't bother me at all where it is. So that's actually pretty nice. We've got these nice little red highlights here on these pop-out details, and these fins here, which really just kind of flesh out the bottom of the backpack. Absolutely beautiful. Coming up to the head, personally, I think the head is turned to the left a bit too much. I really do. I know he's going to have his left arm pointed basically straight out with his cannon on it, but I think it's a bit too much of a left-hand turn there. It is what it is. Nice little red and yellow highlights here on the antenna, and the antenna themselves, nice, solidly put together. The center eye there, it just, I mean, it reflects the light wonderfully, and being embedded in there like that, it really kind of stands out. I love it. Absolutely love it. And I got to tell you, this head sculpt, because it's so blocky, it was incredibly easy to build. Much easier than any of the other head sculpts that we've done thus far. If I had to critique it, I don't even know if I can show it. Down on the neck, you can kind of see it in there. There's all this painted detail, mechanical detail down there on the neck that you just can't see because it's buried down in there the way that it is. And, you know, missed opportunity there, I think. But that's okay. I don't miss it too much, to be honest. And because the head is turned the way it is and angled at the way that it is, unfortunately, you're getting a little piece of the bottom of his head cut off, which is unfortunate. All of that said, though, you know, I think what we've got here is an absolutely beautiful representation of Shockwave. I can't wait to finish the rest of it. I hope you guys have enjoyed it so far. If you did, please remember to like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you next time. Have a great day.